Hello, my name is Luis, and I work in the sales, returns, and warranty department with the DmaxStore. I'm happy to introduce to you guys my 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST with the 3-liter LM2 Duramax motor in it. The reason why I went with this truck is it's perfect for my needs, my daily driving, and for the adventures I like to go on with my family. The modifications I've done so far, it has 33-inch BFG tires with the black Rhino wheels, and I've done a couple modifications with like the suspension. For example, I got the adjustable Bilstein 5100 series front shocks along with the rear shocks for 0 to 1 inch lift. I also went with some Dirt King tubular upper control arms. The reason I went with those, I like the tubular look, and it also has a greasable ball joint and bushings to extend the longevity of the components as well. The other thing I also went with is the Mazzulla front balance delete. The reason why I went with the Mazzulla front balance delete is because I didn't like the plastic front piece. The plastic over time can fade, and it just didn't look even to me when you're looking at the truck from an angle, so the front always looks lower than the rest of the truck. I also upgraded to the Baja Squadron's clear wide cornering lights. Reason being is it provides better lighting for back roads. It's obviously a lot brighter, and the wide cornering just makes it where the lights just expands the whole front to side of the truck basically, so it's just better lighting overall. This truck is also equipped with an Edge EZX tuner. It's a great tuner. It gives me plenty more power. I have the throttle sensitivity at stage level 3 to kind of help out with the dead pedal feel, and it also eliminates that annoying auto stop that you don't have to be constantly turning off when you're starting the truck, so that's a plus with that. These upgrades have transformed the Silverado just the way I like it. You can find a lot of these parts through our website, DmaxStore.com. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. If you guys want to learn about any other employees' trucks, let us know in the comments, and we'll be more than happy to make some more videos.